Today I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up a Google document to be in basic MLA format. MLA stands for Modern Language Association. And this is an organization who has set some rules about how papers should be written. Makes it so much easier to understand and grade assignments if everything is written in the same format. So we all have adopted the MLA format. Most high schools, colleges, and workforces use the same process for all written documents. So if you don't have a template and you've got to set up your paper in MLA format, this is how you'll do it. You'll want to have 1-inch margins on the left and a 1-inch margin on the right. As you can see, mine are already set up at 1 inch. You're going to want to make sure that your font size is set at 12. Everything that you type on this paper will need to be at the font size 12. And the font type should be Times New Roman. So everything will be in the same font style, Times New Roman, and font size 12 point. We're going to set up a header. A header is a setting on the top of your page that will look the same for each page. We're going to click Insert, go to Header and Page Number, and we're going to select Page Number. And we want our page numbers to be consecutive in the top right-hand corner. Now, my page number ended up too close to the top. It's supposed to be a 1/2 inch down, so it should be about right here. So if you click Options, you can put 0.5, which is a 1/2 inch, and we're going to apply that to where it's a 1/2 inch from the top. I'm going to move my cursor to the left side of that 1, and I'm going to type in my last name with a space so that my last name is in front of the page number. Everything that I type in the header will reoccur page after page. Let me show you. When I go down to page 2 of my document, you will see that my name shows up again, but this time it says page 2 because this is the second page of my document. Okay. Now we're going to go back up to the top of your page, and we're going to start typing up here. We're going to go up to the top of the page right before the header split starts, and the first thing you want to write is Kristen Disney, your first and last name written in that order. We want to make sure that the line spacing for everything is going to be double spaced from here on out. So now when I hit this tab here with the arrow going up and down, I make sure it says double. So now when I hit enter after my name, it skips a line. The next thing that we are going to type is your teacher's name. Enter. The third thing on your heading will be your course name. And then the fourth thing on your heading will be the date. There's a special way you write your date. You put the day first, space, you put the month, space, and then you put the year, just like that. All right, we're going to hit enter again, but this time we're going to center now. And we're going to put our title in the center, okay? After you've typed your title, hit enter again, but we're going to left align again. And this time we're going to start typing our paragraph from here. But whenever you start writing a paragraph, you have to first indent. And some people press the space bar several times to indent, but that's not a standard way of doing things. What we need to do in this instance is we need to hit the tab key once. Tab once will give us the appropriate indentation needed. And you'll start typing your paragraph here. Everything from this point on should just be double spaced in paragraph forms, and each time you start a new paragraph, you will hit the tab key to indent. Okay. To share your work with your teacher, click Share and start typing your teacher's email address right here. Make sure that you give them editing rights so that they can give you comments or feedback on your paper. This tutorial does not include a bibliography or works cited page. That will be in another video.